Pag talaga tinatanong ako ng mga friends ko kung ano daw yung isa sa mga affordable primer na mare-recommend ko, this is the Showil Makeup Primer. Ito yung isa sa mga sobrang nag-trending here sa TikTok, kaya napabili rin ako. It's really worth the hype. I got this for only 89 pesos. Sobrang pasabog niya. This has 40 ml of product. Considering its price, again, talagang lagi nating kino-consider ang price dahil sa sobrang mahal ng bilihin ngayon, this one is still affordable. Look at this. There. As you can see, it has a very thick consistency, and based on its packaging and ingredients, this has cyclopentasiloxane, which means it is a silicone-based primer. This one is a bit sticky, but yung kanyang stickiness, hindi naman siya sobrang makaka-affect if you're oily skin. Why? Kasi yung stickiness niya will just help the makeup adhere to your skin ng mas maganda. Ayun, may natira pa ako sa 2 pumps. So, ilagay ko na rin siya dito sa aking neck. In fairness to this primer, ang dali niyang matuyo. Ayun siya, oh. Medyo tacky siya. Hindi siya super matte. I love it. If you're going to ask me naman kung ano yung kanyang scent, this has a very mild floral scent. So, as in, very mild lang talaga, and it won't bother you if medyo sensitive ka sa mga scent. Ayun yung aking face with a primer. Oh my god, I love my makeup, and it's because of the Showil primer. I think one of the best part of makeup is putting your primer. And if you have a good primer, ang ganda ng lapat ng makeup. Like, honestly, how can you clock this look? If you are normal skin, this will be your best friend kasi it will just help your makeup to last long and then to adhere the makeup much better. If you're oily skin, maganda yung magiging lapat ng makeup mo even if you're dry skin kasi this primer is very hydrating. Again, guys, this is a silicone-based primer based on the ingredients. And yes, if you have question about this, let me know in the comments. Diyosa lang, di ba?